Should you list your trust as the beneficiary for your life insurance policy? My name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and I'm going to answer that question for you. Before I get into that, if you would like to contact me, you can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or follow along on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Should your life insurance policy list your trust as a beneficiary? This is a question that I get asked for basically every single estate plan that I create. And it's something that I always bring up because I need to see what kind of assets my clients have in order to properly advise them. Not all beneficiary accounts should use your trust as a beneficiary. However, when it comes to life insurance, it's great to have your trust as a backup or successor beneficiary. Let me further explain. If you have a spouse and you want your entire life insurance policy to go to your spouse if they're alive, then you should list your spouse first and list your revocable living trust as the successor or backup. Because if something happens to your spouse before something happens to you and you don't have a chance to change it, or if something happens to both of you at the same time or in rapid succession, then you want to make sure that your life insurance policy doesn't trigger probate. If you already have a trust and you're trying to avoid probate, the last thing you want to do is have another item, an asset that will trigger probate inadvertently. So listing your trust as a backup, as a successor beneficiary, is a great way to ensure that your trustee can take possession of those funds and then basically put them wherever you say you want them to go in your trust. If you want them to be split evenly between your children, you can do that, or whoever you want it to go to, a charity, whatever, it can go there, as long as you have your trust listed as a beneficiary. Otherwise, if there isn't a beneficiary who can take from that, then probate might be triggered depending on the total of your plan. If you have questions about this, please comment down below. You can schedule a review session with me or strategy session on my website at www.amandarocalaw.com. You can follow along on social media and send me a message that way. I'm at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.